Hello students, let's solve this question. Here we can apply Kirchhoff's current law at the node where the 10 volt battery and the 0.01 ohm resistor is connected. So sum of the incoming current, let's take it as IB, which is through the 10 volt battery. The outgoing current is through the 0.01 ohm resistor, that is IR. So we can say that IB is equal to IR. Now the current through the resistor is IR. It can be calculated by Ohm's law. That is, the voltage VR is equal to IR into RR, where VR is a voltage across a resistor, RR is a resistance. In this case, VR is same as the voltage of the battery, that is 10 volt.